Hello guys, did you know that you can use Snapchat filters on Zoom? So that's a pretty cool feature. There is a separate app for that which is called Snap Camera. Download it on snapcamera.snapchat.com. You can only use it on laptop, on macOS or Windows. So just go here and download it. There you have it. And then with help of this app you'll be able to enable Snapchat filters and use them on Zoom. So here is Snap Camera app, and then you have all these featured filters from Snapchat, which are like super cool and much more advanced than standard Zoom features. And then you also have all these lenses, all of that, and yeah, so for example, something like that. But then the question is, how do you enable this on Zoom? So I will just open Zoom app and I will just go to new meeting. And then the standard process, you just start a new meeting on Zoom. But then here you can select camera and you will be able to select Snap Camera. And there you have it. Then you can just have Snapchat filters on Zoom. And then when you're changing all these filters, they will be automatically updated on Zoom. For example, I'm just changing here and it's updated here. You can also enable this notification here, and then your people with who you are in the Zoom call can just scan it and find this snap code. If you don't want to have this snap code overlay, you can just turn it off, and then you won't have this snap code in the bottom left. So there you have it. Hope it was helpful.